The Food Service Exchange presents.
Crown Verity lets you complete your outdoor kitchen with portable fryers that allow you to perform brilliantly. Every fryer features a stainless steel fry pot with a 40-pound oil capacity and a high-limit shutoff. Each pot comes with 2 fry baskets with plastic-coated handles. For easier cleaning, 3 heat exchanger tubes are located right in the pot for quick access. We also recommend adding a dump station to allow excess oil to drain from the food. Each pot also has a combination gas shutoff valve and manual pilot light system. The adjustable thermostat control gives you a range between 200 and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit delivers 90,000 BTUs, which lets you fry up to 65 pounds of French fries an hour. They can accommodate a 30-pound cylinder as well as the standard 20-pound, and also available configured for natural gas. Each fry pot comes with a 1 1/4 full-port ball pipe drain valve, making it easy to drain the oil after your event. CSA certified and NSF approved, Crown Verity fryers are handcrafted to deliver maximum performance and maximum profit anywhere. Crown Verity, brilliant for life.